need a bag? I got this bag as well. Double bag? Okay.
I'm Major Hasebe. If you're ever interested in joining the Air Force, I think it's a great opportunity. You have the opportunity to serve. It doesn't have to be the entire lifetime. You can do anything from 4 to 20 years. Joining ROTC is a nice program because you have that time frame to figure out what you want to do in life. So decide if ROTC is even for you, so it's not a huge deal. So if you're interested in joining the program, though, please reach out. I'd love to talk to you, whether it's Air Force or any other department that you want to talk